What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is why you shouldn't play stupid games with police. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
He's gonna be seatbelt, speed, improper. Smoke shop on 47. Hey, have a seat back in the car. Sit down in the car. I'm Officer Parisi, just in a traffic stop to be audio video recorded, okay? You have a driver's license registration?
You want mine, sir?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. I'm Damian Lee Falligan. What's your name again?
Officer Parisi.
All right, Officer Parisi, I'm Damian Lee Falligan. Here you go.
Thank you.
Go ahead and do all that good stuff. All right, so you want Little Caesar's wife, or you want Chinese? Get Chinese for us.
You know why I stopped you? You know why I pulled you over?
No seatbelt.
No seatbelt. You're doing 54 and a 45. You have no brake lights at all.
It ain't got no brake lights? When I step on?
Huh?
When I step on my brake, it didn't work?
Lights don't work.
Sure didn't.
Officer, what's your name?
Parisi.
Parisi.
Any reason you're not wearing your seatbelt either, man?
Be a county court code.
He just took his off.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just.
Mine catches on mine, I gotta fix it.
Okay.
Damn, where'd you go?
This truck was broke down for a while, I just put his motor in here.
You got a job.
Did you?
I'm trying to, I took everything out because I had it let sit on the side of the road. Over there in
Street drug house.
by that fire station on 441. It broke down there and I asked him about the leak, so I took everything out of it.
Don't worry about it. I'll get it from you, Ty. Hang tight for me. Guys, there's nothing illegal in the vehicle. No guns, bombs, dead bodies, any kind of weapons of mass destruction, anything like that. No problem with me checking the vehicle?
No, okay. Probably tools and stuff again.
Tools, that's it? Okay. Nothing on any one of your persons, no guns or anything like that?
Got my pocket knife on me. You want to hold it?
I don't want to hold it. You can put it over here. Got anything else? Come here a second, man. Come here.
Wait, hold on. How we go from a seatbelt ticket to searching the vehicle? What the hell? Hold on, nah. Why give him consent? That's crazy. Nah, man, that ain't. Dang, that escalated quickly.
Come here.
Come here, brother.
Come here.
No, you don't have no right.
I said come here.
You have no right to put your hands on me whatsoever. What the hell?
395 or 61.
Oh, they got
395 or
together,
61.
boy.
61 subject. Get on your stomach now. Get on your stomach. Put your hands behind your back. The fuck was that, stupid?
What do you mean, stupid? You're saying something about searching me for no reason and fuck on me trying to lock me up for no reason whatsoever.
Well, now you're getting locked up for resisting.
What? I wasn't resisting. Y'all shouldn't have come at me. Y'all been attacking people. What?
We got one
Y'all
in
come
custody.
at me all
You're
crazy.
61, 77 now.
Man, let's give me some water so you can dip out.
What are you doing, bro? What was that?
Nothing. You come at me all crazy. You pull this over.
No, I didn't. I wanted to pat you down for weapons.
Me? I ain't got no weapons. I gave you my weapon. I gave you my pocket knife. Why are you even?
Well, you're under
bothering?
arrest now, so it doesn't matter.
Arrest. You illegally arrested me.
Yeah?
You illegally came and arrested me. Illegally.
We'll run your side.
Arrested.
Get on your side.
I don't want to be violent. Why y'all being violent?
Stop.
I'm pulling over like you said, man.
Yeah.
You want to be violent. You want to be nice.
Right,
You not throw my phone, please?
Yeah. And then that. Imagine that.
Wow, I smoke weed. Wow.
Yeah.
Well,
That's
why are you sitting here?
That's a
Why y'all
felony in
being
that
violent?
state. Let's go. Get up.
Can I give my father my phone and that?
We're not giving anything. You're going. That was dumb, bro.
What was done? Y'all sat there and attacked me for no reason.
All I asked is search you for weapons.
And I did. It's weapons. So you were going to search me for weapons.
Yes,
you
I
were
was.
trying to attack me for no reason. Weapons. I gave you my weapon.
Be quiet.
And you, yes, sir.
Have a seat.
Go spit this out, please.
Right there. And do not get it on me. Right there.
I'm not going to run or nothing, man.
You already tried to run.
I didn't run.
ahead.
You were coming at me all crazy. Wanting to
Spit it out. That was stupid, bro. If you would have said, you know what, I got a little dab on me, you'd probably been going home.
What do you mean? You're gonna sit there and arrest me?
Have a seat.
I got kids and shit.
Have a seat.
What is you?
All you had to do was be honest,
And
dude.
give them to my wife, please. But honest, what do you mean? I didn't do nothing,
All right, have a
bro.
little bit of that, bro. It's not a big
What do you
deal.
mean?
How would I file charges in a minute? We're going home. That was stupid.
What do you mean? I didn't even run, man.
That was, yeah, okay. It's all on video, dude.
Coming in. Right.
That was pretty dumb of him.
Yeah. Ow.
Anything else in the vehicle, sir?
No, just
I'm gonna check his side. You, like you said, you gave consent, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it.
Damn, my boy balling, huh? Got a couple dollars in there.
I'm not living. The seat got away from me.
You're okay, bro.
I didn't say nothing.
Even his dad said he tried to run. He's like, I wasn't trying to run.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a warning for all that stuff, dude. That's 45. I know you're coming over from the county, and it's a 55 out there, but it turns into a 45.
Brantford, trying to
Okay.
get all my stuff over here towards Lake City.
You have to wear your seatbelt. You got stopped one time before without your seatbelt on, huh?
Yeah, mine's broke. I'm
Yeah.
trying to get everything fixed on it. I've been working on it.
So get that fixed.
Trying to get everything fixed on it.
And then
Did you got his phone or you leave it?
it's on the hood of your car. His phone, his wallet, his hat, and his dip is all on the hood of your car, all right?
Shit, what I do with my wallet?
Your wallet's on the seat, front seat.
Damn, my boy tried to run. What? They almost threw him through that glass. Yeah. They said, wait, hold on. Oh, get out. Oh. Almost threw his ass through that glass. He would have been sick. What? That store owner would have been, everybody would have been tight, man. I don't understand. I don't understand how we go from a seatbelt to searching a vehicle and then you give them permission to search it? Nah. Do I have consent to search your vehicle, sir? Nope. No, you do not. Nope. If you're gonna go ahead and search it anyways, whatever, but I'm not giving you consent to search it. No.
Call that for that.
For a little bit of butter.
Yeah.
Yeah. He tried to take off on us. He got knocked into the fucking.
I love when they call it that.
I will call him and I will let him know.
In Florida, possession of any amounts of THC concentrates is a third-degree felony, which is punishable by up to 5 years in prison and a possible fine of up to $5,000. It's also unlawful to sell, deliver, or manufacture cannabis wax. Possessing more than 3 grams of THC concentrates with intent to sell is a third-degree felony. The charges, however, can be enhanced based on where the crime was committed. Damien was charged with obstructing an officer, possession or use of drug equipment, and a felony charge for selling marijuana Schedule I drug. His total cash bond was set at $7,000.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.